Sending new offers and updates to your existing customers on WhatsApp is something which is trending nowadays. And here I've brought up an amazing feature of broadcast WhatsApp messaging, which is going to allow you to send the personalized WhatsApp message to each and every customer in bulk, that too in one click. Yes, you heard it right. Here on the screen, you can see an automated WhatsApp message that I've sent to my customers about our new offers with their personalized names so that my customers should feel valued. And now here to set up this WhatsApp broadcast messaging, we are going to use an amazing all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to access the Chatflow, you need to search for www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently Pabbly is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So to connect yours, click on this Add WhatsApp Number button, and here you can see two options. One is WhatsApp Connect and the other one is Manual Token Connect. So here if you wish to learn about any of the method in detail, then you can watch all the video links available in the description box below for the same. And here let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the features in details, and you can watch all the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and in the description box as well. Alright, so now here, as you know, that in this video we are going to learn how you can set up the WhatsApp broadcast for your business. So for that you need to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But here before accessing this broadcast feature, let me tell you that I am going to send the automated WhatsApp template messages to all my customers. So in this case, we need to create a template message first inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you don't want to send the template message and wish to send a regular kind of message, then you can send that too. But here to learn about that process, you need to stay with me till the end of this video. Alright, so now here to create the template, you need to access the template section available over here in the left side bar. I have already accessed mine, and under this template section, you can see the total number of approved templates, pending, draft and rejected templates. So here you can see these are the templates that I've created with different names, and here you can see the status of these templates. So once the status is approved, then only you can use that template to send the WhatsApp messages to your customers. Here I'm going to use the template that I have with the name New Exclusive Offers. So this is the message that I've drafted, and here you can see the status is approved. So here to create your own template, click on the Set Template button, and it will direct you to a new template window. Here you need to add these details and then click on the Submit button. Automatically your template will be created. To learn about this template creation process in detail, you can watch all the video available on our YouTube channel, or you can directly click on this Learn More hyperlink available over here. Alright, this was all about the template section. Now after creating the template, let's move towards the broadcast section from the left side bar. Now here to this broadcast section, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast as well. So here to create a new broadcast, you need to click on this Add Broadcast button, and here it will direct you to a WhatsApp broadcast window. From here, select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign, and here you need to give a name to your broadcast. I'm going to give the name as Exclusive Offer, and then here it is asking us to select the contact list to whom we want to send this WhatsApp message. So here I already have my customers detail in Google Sheet, where I have the name, phone number and the tags of that particular customer. So now in order to send the WhatsApp message to these customers, what I need to do is that I need to create these customers as a new contact inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. And here to create the contacts in bulk, what you need to do is that you need to access this contact section available over here in the left side bar. Now under this contact section, here on the left side, you can see the number of contact lists that I already have with different names. And here to add new ones, you need to click on this add contact button. And here you can see two options. One is add single contact and the other one is add bulk contacts. So if you wish to add the single contact, then you can add the details over here. But to add the bulk contacts, you need to select this option and here you need to upload the CSV file. And as you know that I already have the data in a Google Sheets format. So what we are going to do is that we are going to download this data in a CSV formatted file, and for that you need to click on this file option, then select download and download the file in a .csv format. Once you're going to download the file, upload the same file over here, then a URL will be updated, then select this duplicate record settings and click on this add contact button, and automatically the bulk contacts will be created inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. After that you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now I'm going to use an existing list that I already have with a different name. So let's select the contact list over here. So here you can select multiple lists as well. For now I'm going to select the single one. Then it is asking for the message type. So as you know that I'm going to send the pre-approved template message, but to send the regular message you need to select this option. Then you need to select the message type from the drop down, and here if you're going to add the text, then you can have a preview of the message that you're going to send to your customers in the right side over here. Alright, we're going to select the pre-approved template message. So this is the template that I've created and this is the message that I have drafted. So here you can see I have used a variable in the place of the name, because here I wanted that whenever my customer is going to receive this message, then automatically this one value should get updates with my customer name. So variables makes your text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So here to make this field permanently dynamic, what we are going to do is that we are going to access another feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is contact custom fields from the settings. Now under this you can see 4 global fields that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. But if you're using an old account of Pabbly Chatflow, then you might have more contact custom fields over here. And as you know that I have used the variable in the place of the name. So we're going to copy the contact custom field for the same, and here we're going to add the field name. Then we're going to click on this done button and you can see the message has been selected. Now let's move forward. And now here it is asking us to test the message that we are going to send to the wider audience. So here to test the message, we are going to send this message firstly on my own number. So we are going to add my username, then here we're going to add my phone number, then we're going to click on the send test message. It says test broadcast sent, so let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see instantly we have received a WhatsApp message over here. So with this we have successfully tested our broadcast message. After that is asking us to schedule the broadcast. So here if you want to send instantly this message to all your customers, then select no option, but to schedule it for the later, select yes, and here you need to follow a particular date and time for month. For the date it's month, day, year, and for the time it's hour and minute. So here we are going to select the future date and time, but here if you're selecting the past date and time, then it is going to send this WhatsApp message instantly to all your customers. Alright, we are going to click on this add broadcast button and you can see a broadcast has been scheduled. So now here once the broadcast sent, you can view the stats for the same by clicking on this particular button, and here you can see the rate of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. By using this data you can analyze the broadcast message that you have sent to your customers. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send WhatsApp broadcast messages in minutes. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available in the description box as well. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this, you can create many such WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants for your own business with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then please visit this URL. Now, if you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.